Cherry Valley, an architectural masterpiece nestled in Prince Edward County, just 2.5 hours away from the bustling city of Toronto. This residence embodies the essence of its surroundings, a picturesque coastline intertwining with a thriving winemaking industry, encapsulating the very soul of fields and shorelines. The location of this home is truly unique. As you step in, you're greeted by a vast meadow-like plateau, followed by a swift descent to the lakeshore via a captivating ridge. This natural transition became the heart of the experience, a serene spot nestled beneath the canopy, shielded from the wind by the ridge, offering a captivating view of the water framed by nature's own artwork. It's precisely where the house was destined to stand. Embraced by the ridge, the house is partially submerged, ensuring protection while providing a stunning view beneath the trees. Expansive windows facing the lakeside offer breathtaking views of the shore, while ground-level panoramic windows facing the meadow create an immersive experience within the field. These panoramic views seamlessly integrate you into the landscape, allowing you to observe nature's layers, from the soil to the ferns, trees, and the expansive sky above. Larger dormer windows invite ample light, echoing the play of natural light streaming through the trees. Though the design and placement echo a contemporary flair, the architecture and materials pay homage to the agrarian essence of the region. The union of brick and cedar mirrors the site's duality. While brick forms the sturdy wall embracing the hillside where the house finds its home, the cedar roof cascades towards the water's edge, engaging in a poetic conversation with the trees that frame the captivating lake vistas. Inside, Douglas fir boards envelop the space, creating a seamless connection with the exterior through brick-clad walls, harmonizing with the architectural finesse outside.